Oscar, what should we drive today, bud? What should we drive? What do you think? Should we drive the Aventador? No. What about the Gallardo? Oh, definitely no. Let's drive the Tesla. You want to drive the Tesla? Let's do it. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. And welcome back to another perfect day here in the beautiful state of Utah. We are rocking the Tesla Model X today. I have never driven a Tesla in my entire life. I'm supposed to hate this car because Tesla owners, they're smug. They think they're so much better than everybody. Every time you see one, they want to give you a history lesson on Thomas Edison. They tell you how EV vehicles are so much better than internal combustion. Obviously, they've never heard of V12. And every time they do see the Aventador, they always want to race. Obviously, I embarrass them. When I'm driving the Gallardo, I stay far away because, well, the last thing I need to do is end up on Instagram or YouTube. Anyways, I'm supposed to hate this car, yet I love this car. And on that bombshell, cold startup. This is a cold startup on a Tesla Model X 75D. All right, fire her up. Okay, we're good. Sorry, I'm sorry. The joke had to be made. I'm sorry. I'm annoying. Unfortunately, I did not buy this Tesla Model X. I'm simply renting it on Turo for the next 5 days. If you guys have any video ideas you'd like to see with the Model X, put it in the comments below. The search for the daily driver is still continuing. Unfortunately, a Tesla, it's not gonna be it because yeah. Anyways, I'm excited to announce today's video has been sponsored by Turo. If you're unfamiliar with Turo, it is the online marketplace to rent cool cars from people just like you and me. They have over 850 different makes and models. We got a Porsche Cayman, Toyota Prius right there. They got an SUV, a Mustang, don't crash into a crowd. Chevy Corvette though, $119 a day. Like, that value, unparalleled. Find me a Corvette, a new Corvette for under $119 a day. You can't, except for on Turo. And the best part, you can skip the rental car lines at the airport because the Turo owners, they will deliver the car to you. Like, for example, this Model X, the owner, he lives on the other side of that mountain. He hand delivered the car this morning and I'm paying $125 a day. $125 a day. Like, you can't do it cheaper than that. Turo is available in over 5,500 cities and 300 airports. If you live in the United States, Canada, Germany, UK, they have every single car you could ever imagine. Ferrari, Lamborghini, McLaren, Porsche, they even have Toyota Priuses, a Jeep Wrangler, Tesla Model X. Basically, depending on your budget, there's something available to rent on Turo. Also, you can access it on the web for free. You can download it for free, iOS devices, Android devices. There's a special discount link in the description below. Sign up for Turo today. StradMan25 will give you $25 off your first rental on Turo. Guys, I'm gonna have this car for 5 days. In the comments below, what should I film? 5 days in the comments below. Let's be honest, the only thing you guys care about is autopilot. This is the weirdest thing ever. I've never driven Tesla on autopilot before. We're just sort of chilling. It's actually very convenient as a vlogger. I'm starting to freak out a little bit, but we're good. Hello. This is like vlogging paradise. Also, the Model X has like a vlogging shelf. So we can just set the camera. We can just set the camera right there and just chill. We're headed up to Park City to meet up with Clayton's dad. You know Clayton, you know Faith, Summit Auto Lab. Clayton and Faith are getting married on Friday. They're getting married on Friday and I want to buy him a Jeep for their wedding. So Clayton's dad is like a Jeep expert, so I'm gonna go pick him up. There's a Jeep Cherokee we're gonna go look at. Okay, so I'm starting to freak out. This is crazy. Okay, we're good. We're good. The Model X won't let me use autopilot anymore because holding the steering wheel warning was ignored multiple times. So the Model X is a bit of a diva. I was trying to vlog. So we're gonna have to stop somewhere, turn the car off, turn it back on because autopilot is life. Is there any like camaraderie between Tesla owners? Do we like have a sign or something? I think we just flex on, see ya! Yes, yes, I mean, I guess it doesn't, well, I don't know, it's still felt good to beat him. I don't actually know how to turn this thing off. Like, I think it's off. I'm pretty sure it's off. I'm gonna trigger all the Tesla owners. I would buy one of these. They just don't, they're not good looking. They look like jelly beans. I mean, they're like twins. Why doesn't Tesla make a good looking car? I mean, I realize it's aerodynamic, but sometimes in life, aero is not life. Like, also V12 is life. Wait, did I say that out loud? Car is off. I put my foot on the brake and now the car is on. I think. Presumably, tentatively, probably. Hopefully that reset autopilot. My mistake is that I was vlogging and I was talking to you guys. I need to have a hand on the steering wheel. So that was my mistake. Apparently there were a bunch of alarms going off. It got triggered. The Model X is a diva and it turned autopilot feature off. So I shut the car off. We're back on. I think we're good maybe. So now we're headed to Park City that way. I don't want to get all sappy on you guys, but Clayton's friendship means so much to me. Ever since my YouTube channel like blew up, you never really know what the true intentions are of people who've met you afterward. And I'm not saying, I met some amazing people after my YouTube channel has gone big, but like any friendship I had beforehand means so much to me. And Clayton and Faith have helped me so much along this journey. Like my channel wouldn't even be close to where it's at today if it wasn't for their friendship. And their friendship, it just means so much to me. They're getting married on Friday, and I just want to buy him a Jeep. I'm not gonna get all emotional, I'm not gonna be crying in today's video, at least I hope not. Auto steer unavailable, are you kidding me? Tesla, this Tesla's a diva. It's such a diva, like I get it. My knee was on, I had my knee on the steering wheel. Arrgh. Welcome to JP Morgan Chase. We gotta get some Benjamins. The best way I could describe my friendship with Clayton, if my YouTube channel got deleted, I had to sell all the cars, nothing would change. Like we'd still be best friends, we'd still hang out all the time. Also, with him having a Jeep, I have somebody to off-road with, so that's cool too. And just like that, we got our cash. Why does it have to look like a jelly bean though? If it looked good, oh, that would be a game changer. Oh, thank you so much. Have an F430 Spider looking sharp. If I had real money, I'd buy Clayton an F430, but yeah, we'll go check that out. I need to charge the Tesla. We have 114 miles of range, and there's a charging station somewhere. I don't think I have to pay for this, and I also have no idea how long it's gonna take. So, why does it have to look like a jelly bean? If it was good looking, this would be the perfect daily for Oski and I. That F430 is over there. One of Clayton's dream cars is an F430. If I had like crazy money, I would totally buy it for him, but unfortunately the Jeep that I'm looking at is about 15, well, it's probably like 35 times cheaper than this. But nice F430, rocking the Scuderia wheels. I gotta be straight up honest, I know nothing about Teslas. I have no idea how long this is gonna take to charge. We could be here for a couple hours. Also, it's free, which is pretty cool. I don't know how it's free, but I like free. I was definitely 100% not supposed to charge the Tesla there. Apparently it's only for members of the fitness center, of which I am clearly not a member of. A man came out and yelled at me. I survived. It's really a story of inspiration though. The problem, we have 111 miles of charge. The Jeep is up there. It's about 150 miles each way. So, well, I don't know what we're gonna do. Green arrow, we're getting the homie hookup. Sick. What do you guys think about the DB11? Could an Aston Martin be the new daily? Obviously I'm looking at a Ford Focus, which is like 30,000, and that's like 230, but whatever. We've arrived here to a Tesla supercharging station. We're charging up the Model X. Yeah, we have 50 minutes remaining. I don't know what we're gonna do for 50 minutes. 4:05 p.m. We've been here for 19 minutes, and we still have 40 minutes remaining. So yeah, I don't really know what to do. If we were in the Aventador, we would have just filled up. We would have driven, you know, half an hour and then fill it up again, but we'd still be progressing. Also, Robbie, welcome to the channel.
Hey, thanks.
Welcome to the vlog. This is Clayton's dad. He is our Jeep expert for the day. So we're gonna go check out this Cherokee here soon once we're charged. So also, Robbie has a YouTube channel. There's a link in the description below. You have a Jeep, an MR2 Spider.
Correct.
And
some motorcycles.
And some motorcycles. So guys, go check it out. Clayton's dad, link in the description below. I get it, okay, I get it, Tesla owners. I understand why you're so smug. Doesn't mean you're better than everybody, but I do get it, it's pretty nice. So we have 89 miles to a place called Paradise, Utah, which inside sources tell me is quite a paradise. Sorry, that was a bad joke. Anyways, the Jeep is somewhere around here, but the sign just said no trespassing, keep out. I don't know if I'm really gonna be able to film, but we'll see. Here it is, it's a 2001 Jeep Cherokee. It's in pretty good shape overall. We got this minor dent right here, but it's got a nice stance right there. I think it has a 2.5-inch lift kit or so. Got a cool rack as well. So he's asking $5,300 for it. We have 173,000 miles on it. Overall, it's pretty good. ABS light doesn't work, power windows don't work. There's an oil leak. Initial impressions?
There's typical problems with this Jeep that you gotta look for.
Yeah, but like we were saying, it'd be great content for Clayton.
It would be content.
So Clayton, like this, all these issues, they're things you can fix for your YouTube channel. So we're just out here trying to hook you up. So yeah, when you're working underneath it and swearing, you can thank me. So there's that big oil leak, and that could, well, it could be a big oil leak, or maybe it's not. We don't know. Robbie says 50-50.
Yeah, I'd say 50-50 on whether it's...
What do we do?
This is a tough call.
Oh, I don't know what to do. This is where I need to talk to Clayton, but I can't talk to Clayton because it's a surprise. More to come. Update, I offered 4,300 and he kindly rejected. He dropped down to 4,700, but there's just so many issues, the unknowns.
There's enough issues, and the reason why nobody's giving him more than that.
Yeah, he said the highest bid he'd gotten up until this point was $4,200. So we offered him more, but he said no. So the last thing I want to do is buy a Jeep for Clayton that he has to drop like $4,000 into, because then it wouldn't actually be, yeah, you know what I mean. We're 95.8 miles from home, and our range is 90 miles. The curiosity portion of the vlog has begun. I don't think a Tesla and I would work very well together. I have 3 miles left of range, and, well, we're so close. We just made it. 1 mile left. I hope we'd make it. This would be very awkward to have to push it into the spot. Look at that guy. Dude, flexing on everybody. Are you kidding me? I need one of those. Heyo, it's really a story of inspiration that we made it. 1 mile left, although my curiosity wonders, what would have happened at 0? I guess we'll never really know. So now we sit and we wait for a while. I don't know. This is just Tesla life. We're gonna go look at another Jeep. I told them I'd be there at 8:30, but, well, we're sat here in a parking lot charging the Tesla. I can't tell them that though, because then I sound very smug. So we're gonna be late. Because, yeah, we're gonna be like 20 minutes late because we gotta charge. His first impressions are everything. Obviously a Jeep guy. It looks nice. This one is a lot nicer than the last one we looked at. 7,500 bucks, but this one is like spec to the max. We got the 35-inch tires. We have a Dana 44, and it's finished here like a Roncio Argos, the exact same color as my Aventador. And then the mileage is 191,625. Obviously, once again, there's another small oil leak, but we got the valve colors paint to sample right there too. So Robbie's just doing his full inspection. I'm so glad I have him, because he knows everything about everything when it comes to Jeeps. Wow.
I know a fair amount.
We're gonna make an offer again. This thing is pretty nice. Like, it's spec'd out to the max. Dana 44. He's got lockers that need to be installed. It's got the 35-inch tires. The thing is spec'd out very, very nicely. Parking brake doesn't work. The rear doors don't work. So it's kind of like some annoying. The rear doors work. The locks don't work. Kind of sort of some annoying things. But I think we're gonna make an offer. I'm gonna start at 6,800. He's gonna come down to 7,300, and we're gonna settle at 7. That's the goal. Just like that, it's a done deal. So Robbie's gonna drive the Cherokee back to my house. I'm gonna drive the Tesla. Yeah. It's like 12:30 a.m. So we're gonna do a full walk around tomorrow. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Here it is, a 1999 Jeep Cherokee XJ. This is basically a road-going rock crawler. We got the long arm suspension, BFG 35-inch tires. We got the Dana 44, and check out this rear bumper too. This thing is spec to the max. Hopefully, like I was saying yesterday, Clayton doesn't run into a bunch of issues, because if I buy him a Jeep and then it breaks down all the time and he has to invest a bunch of money into it to fix it, maybe it wasn't such a good gift after all. Also, I have no idea how I'm actually gonna give this to him. I'm not good at this, Clayton's not good at this. I'm gonna be like, hey bro, I bought you a Jeep, and he's gonna be like, wait, what? So today is Thursday, he's getting married tomorrow. Saturday we're doing a rally, and then Sunday we're going skydiving. So I think I'll give it to him on Sunday, which means this video can't go live until Sunday or Monday. And I don't know how I'm gonna give it to him. Like, what do I do? I can't ask you guys because this video can't go live until after. Well, I don't know. I didn't think this through. I mean, I did, but I didn't. On that bombshell that I don't actually even know how to give Clayton the Jeep. Not Clayton, Faith. The Jeep is really for you though. Like, it is Clayton's, but honestly, like, it's really yours, Faith. So yeah, it's your Jeep. Anyways, on that bombshell, what do you guys think of the Model X? This could be the ultimate daily driver, but it looks like a... That is going to effectively end today's video. But remember, guys, there's that discount link in the description below. $25 off your first rental on Turo, TheStradman25. Check it out, link in the description below. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.